There's always an air of mystery when it comes to Ferrari. She's like that supermodel, beautiful but maybe intimidating. Well, we traveled to Bangkok, Thailand to pierce the veil of mystery when it comes to Maranello's pride. This is Universo Ferrari. Ferrari brings Universo Ferrari, an immersive exhibition to Southeast Asia for the first time. It is a showcase to the world of Ferrari encompassing the race cars, sports cars, and even lifestyle. This ultimate display of passion for the Prancing Horse also serves as the regional debut of the new Ferrari supercar, the F80. Unveiled to the world last October, the F80 is the latest in Ferrari's line of supercars, which includes the illustrious models such as the F40, F50, and La Ferrari. Distilling all Ferrari know-how into a single car, the F80 is the Prancing Horse's new benchmark when it comes to innovation and engineering excellence. Using a motorsport-derived V6 engine, it makes the most power of any production Ferrari ever, 1,200 horsepower. With an 8-speed dual clutch and all-wheel drive, the F80 takes just 2.15 seconds to reach 100 km per hour and 5.75 seconds to reach 200 km per hour. Top speed, 350 km per hour. Taming all this power, the F80 employs cutting-edge aerodynamics, enabling it to achieve a ton of downforce at speeds of 250 km per hour. This was done through clever rework of the underfloor and cooling system layout. Its most distinctive feature, however, is an active rear spoiler that switches between a low drag and high downforce setup. Moreover, it employs tech first seen in the Purosangue, an active suspension system that makes sure the ride height is maintained to optimize the aero. Style-wise, the F80 is all about aero efficiency. Even before designers put pen to paper, engineers dictated the placement of all the mechanicals. On top of that, the Ferrari Styling Center mixed sci-fi and retro elements, throwing in butterfly doors for good measure. Originally envisioned as a mono-seater, Ferrari opted instead for a 1+ seating. This means that the driver sits slightly ahead of the sole passenger with all the controls canted towards him. Moreover, only the driver's seat is adjustable, with the passengers being fixed to the chassis. A new steering wheel with a flatter top and bottom, as well as physical instead of touch-sensitive controls, is making its debut here. The Ferrari F80 will go on sale starting late 2025, with a production that'll run all the way to Ferrari's 80th anniversary in 2027. All 799 examples have already been spoken for, but the Philippines, we were told, was able to get allocations. After the F80, visitors got up close with Michael Schumacher's F2000. This iconic Formula One car helped Schumacher win his third Formula One championship by clinching 10 victories in 17 races. It also marks Ferrari's return to the Constructors' Championship after 21 years. Moving on, there was the Ferrari F499 Le Mans hypercar, the two-time champion at the 24 Hours of Le Mans, as well as the 296 GTB GT3 race car and the Customer Racing Series 296 Challenge. Among the sports cars on display included the Ferrari Daytona SP3. A member of the Icona series, this $2.25 million sports car has a mid-mounted 6.5-liter V12 engine. Joining it are the likes of the SF90 XX Stradale, the Purosangue, the Roma Spider, the 812 Superfast, and the Ferrari 12 Cilindri. Finally, in the Ferrari Classic Zone, there's the 308 GTB and the Ferrari F50, a car made to celebrate the brand's 50th anniversary. This is the fourth Universo Ferrari following Italy, Australia, South Korea, and now Thailand. It's a journey into the essence of Ferrari, a celebration of passion, performance, and craftsmanship. Whether a lifetime aficionado or discovering the magic of Ferrari for the first time, it's a great opportunity to experience the world of Ferrari in its most dynamic form.